Hey guys, do you ever wonder what goes on behind the scenes while we're camping? If so, stay tuned.
Hey guys, Tanya and David, and we're out side by side. We just wanted to show y'all what we do and some of the behind the scenes of the fun that we have when we go out and enjoy the great outdoors together. It's going to be a great weekend here at Brazos State Park. Tanya got us another excellent site, and looking forward to riding our bikes and checking out the gators.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona.
We keep all of our bedding in these great bins, and we've shown you in other videos, but they keep everything fresh and they keep everything clean. We highly recommend them. We got them on Amazon. If you're interested, we'll put the link below.
For all in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this, I stand alone. Show me.
Getting our bedding ready is sometimes the most exhausting because we don't keep it in our camper because we're not full time, so we pack it down.
Hello, Ramona. I mistook you for nothing. The engine glows, and I guess you always seem to know. Hello, Ramona. I push back the serious feeling. The end's unknown. To get back the life I used to know. I stand alone.
All right, we just had dinner and we're going to have pie. We had the HEB meals, which are absolutely delicious. The salmon and asparagus, so good. And we're gonna go ahead and have pie that we got from HEB, but it's all messed up. The guy turned it upside down when we went to pick it up.
So we're having exploded key lime pie, but it's going to be delicious.
It all goes down the same place. The thing I know I want is
I
want a lot of this.
What about all this?
Yeah, we're gonna have to just include all of it. You take half and I'll take half. Oh, there you go. Looks delicious. Perfect.
I'm gonna go with this.
You're going with a big piece.
Can you bring that over here so I don't make a mess?
Yum. You want some whipped cream on top?
The last thing we're going to do is lock our bikes up. We're going to go ahead and just lock them up to our ladder over here. I'm going to lock this bike to this one, and we'll lock Tanya's bike to mine. So even at these state parks, you still want to make sure that your things are locked up because you don't want to have any strangers running off with your e-bikes.
Hi. We love our showers, especially with our tankless water heater. It's like being at home. I mean, we just take the longest showers, so get yourself a tankless water heater. It's amazing.
So now that Tanya and I are finished taking our showers here at Brazos Bend, they don't have full hookups, or they don't have sewer. So we're going to go ahead and dump our gray tank into our Rhino tote. It's 28 gallons, so it's not the really big one, but I think we should have enough space in there to hold our shower water. So of course you want to go ahead and vent that so that it can breathe. And we're going to pull the gray. By the way, we never put black in here, just the gray. Our black tank is usually plenty good to get us through the weekend. I think it's 40 something gallons. We're going to go ahead and dump. And then we'll take this to the dump station tomorrow.
Life-threatening situation happening northwest of San Antonio in Kerrville right now. Flash flooding along the Guadalupe River.
Rania Kaur with our sister station Kent is covering the situation right now.
How long do we know what the estimated time of arrival is for the equipment that's coming?
Yeah, I really don't. I just know that it's en route.
Sergeant, from where I'm standing on City Baker Street, we're able to see a house. Do we know the number of homes or...
Good morning, y'all. I think it's going to be a great day. Today is the 4th of July. Happy birthday, America.
Good morning.
Tanya and I are looking forward to our extended weekend. And we're going to ride our bikes today. This is one of our favorite parks. It's actually the closest park to our house, and it's got some great trails, so we're looking forward to that.
And guys, if you're in the Kerrville area, please be careful. We're noticing Kerrville flooded last night, so we're going to keep track of that and stay on top of it. But if you're in the Kerrville area, please be careful.
Yes. This morning we're having our usual bacon with some sausage, and we're gonna have some eggs, and looking forward to that.
Oh, it's a double yolk. Look, it's a double yolk.
It's
That's good luck.
Siamese egg. Bon appetit.
Ready to go for a bike ride? Let's do it.
love this trail.
There's something special about this place. As soon as we hit the trail, the rest of the world fades away. It's just us, the bikes, and miles of forest that feel untouched by time. The deeper we go into Brazos Bend, the quieter it gets, except for the rhythm of the tires and the sounds of nature walking up all around us. Every turn reveals something new. Towering oaks, Spanish moss swaying like it's caught in a slow dance, and the occasional deer pausing just long enough to meet our eyes before vanishing into the brush. We ride in silence sometimes, not because we have nothing to say, but because the beauty says everything.
You see the seeds inside of there, babe?
Yes.
They drop the seeds and then make a new pad.
We're gonna have chicken Caesar tacos. We put the chicken in the crock pot and it looks like it's ready. Bon appetit.
Definitely scary over here, even residents in Center Point. So I've talked to a number of residents here to where one's house was flooded. I mean, she had to take away her pet. She had 12 kittens in her house. Only one survived that she knows of right now. That's the only one that they can find. I talked to another gentleman who said that he actually witnessed a car float away with somebody inside.
Out here, time slows down. The trails wind like old riverbeds, guiding us through a landscape that feels wild and free. We're reminded why we travel in the first place, not just to see new places, but to feel them, to breathe them in, to move through them at just the right speed to notice everything.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
Later, check.
Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And
We just wanted to thank y'all again for joining us outside by side.
We'll see you on the next video.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
I will never figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.